All right, what's going on, everybody? This is the Revolution Explosion 5-box random team break number 1. 5 boxes, 3 boxes from this year, a box from last year, and a hobby box of 1920 Revolution. Guys, once upon a time, this box is sold for $500. That's right.
For Revolution?
Zion Revolution basketball. Unbelievable. This is everybody in the break. And we'll assign your teams. Got a good list right here. Pelicans. Hawks down to the Wizards. Roll 2 dice, reroll Snake Eyes starting at 0. 4 and a 2 going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hawks staying up there.
The Bucks.
Down to the Bucks. All right, James Johnson with the Hawks, Nuggets, Thunder, and the Hornets. Nice, James. Zach with the Pelicans. Very nice, Zach. A little Zion chasing. Chappelle with the Jazz. Herms, Clip Show. James with the Magic. Matt with the Kings. Rockets going to Herms. Zach, Knicks. James, Pacers. Dimitri got the Nets. Jeff got the Suns. Powell got the Trailblazers. James, T-Wolves. Herms with the Spurs. All right, David.
Jeez,
Matt with the Bulls. Jeff with the Mavericks. Zach with the Grizzlies. Very nice, Zach. Matt, Celtics. Christopher with the Pistons. Herms with the Sixers. Herms, Heat. Thump with the Warriors, Cavs, and the Wizards. Maybe a little Rui chasing. Herms with the Raptors. Paolo with the Lakers. And Jeff with the Bucks. Guys, let us know if you want any trades.
Jeff with the Bucks. Bucks like to hit. Bucks are kind of like the A's in basketball. Herms. I'm seeing lots of offers for the Spurs. What do you think about a trade there?
Thank you. Any trades, guys? Lots of offers for the...
I was joking. I wanted him to...
No trades. Let's get this party started. Trade window closed. All right, P. John.
Hit me with the flip. Let's hit him with the trees. I'd have to learn new positioning.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Can I do it on the fly?
Don't do it on the fly. I'll move the camera down.
No, not that.
Oh, you're talking about the text box?
Yeah.
Explosion.
Shoe on.
I think you're actually doing it on the fly.
Little fake there. Oh, we got it. Still.
Actually, let's do a stack on this.
Oh, it's darn near beautiful.
It's pretty nice.
We got to make an adjustment to that. That one didn't quite. Marketing department been working hard, but they're not perfect.
You got Herm's baseball teams?
Yeah, David, I got you. I got you and everything. I think.
I think he wants to know who he has.
You have Orioles, Royals, Mets. That's that everybody. I'll double check while P. John's ripping. I'll double check.
All right. Royals, Mets, Orioles. Here we go. That is Groove, unnumbered. Go a little slower through these first few. There's Ant-Man on the Vortex.
What are you doing this year?
Yeah, starting with this year. Here's Rupert for the Blazers. That one's 260. The Trailblazers. There's Podzimski.
Anything sleeve and top load, anything that's numbered.
Nice one here. That's.
And then, you know, just kind of like
I think that's
better
Herms.
rookies.
Golden
Yeah.
State. Oh no, Bubba. Bubba with the Podzimski hunt. Embiid on the Groove. And there's LeBron. LeBron moving on in the playoffs. Or in the play-in, I should say. There's Davis. That is Fractal. Fractals. I think Fractals and Grooves are your two non-numbereds.
Dika.
And there's Dariq Whitehead for the Nets. Nets.
Zion's got a ding corner.
Dimitri with the Nets. There's Thompson on the Groove for the Rockets. Rockets and Herms. Herms on the board. Shockwave of Wallace. Thunder. Thunder is James Johnson. Good luck, James. Pull you a chat. Strother for the Nuggets. I think we got Cubic inbound. Let's pull you a Cubic, James. James off to a hot start to 50. These are definitely my favorite parallels out of Revolution.
Yeah, some of these cards, some of the corners are a little dinged on them. Just
These are kind of notoriously soft.
FYI.
Derek Lively. And there's Jaime. Sweet looking one. This one's Fractal. On the Shockwave for the Heat. And Herms. Nice one, Herms. And quickly. Alright, box one down. Nice. Good first box. Herms, which stuff you talking about? You talking about Chrome Black or are you talking about Revolution? We're going last year now. 22-23. See if this one actually opened. No. This one oriented the same way. Let's see what we got. Buckets.
What year is this? 22,
KD. Auto.
Nice.
Spurs. Blake Wesley. For the Spurs.
Think you get a-
Revolution, yeah.
Auto about every 4 boxes, is it? I think it's around every 4 boxes.
I feel like that might be the case. Some Giddy. It's either every 4 or every 2. I don't know why I think it's every 2.
I don't think it's every 2.
There's Shaden. There's Paolo for the Magic. This thing is sick looking. Fractal. Going out.
And that is James the Shiz
The Shiz.
with the Magic.
That's a nice one. Never heard of Blake Wesley, David?
You've heard of David Wesley, right? You probably used to hang out with David Wesley back in the day.
Blake Wesley was a troll. They had one more. Malachi Branham, I think, was their other troll last year. And by troll, I just mean that weren't very good. Ryan Rollins. There's Ivy. Pistons. On the fractal. Or that's Astro, actually.
That's Christopher
Stefferson.
with the Pistons.
Nice one. There's more Ivy. That one's Shockwave. Bucks on the board with Drew.
Yeah, he drives fast. You remember that?
Leslie drives real fast.
I used to live near the old Hooters on South Boulevard.
I like
I
Blake.
would see those guys all the time after the game.
To
all
clarify,
the
he would
time.
see them at Hooters.
Yes, at Hooters.
He didn't. If he was being vague, Zion.
They have good food there, P. John.
I do. They're known for their service, right?
It's great food. Great wings. Seriously, they used to, even my wife and I used to go there. We would,
I can't tell you the
Then
last time I've been
the
there.
food got bad and
Bryce McGowan's
service, you know,
Groove for the Hornets.
service went downhill with the food.
The labor strike. They hit Hooters too.
Yeah, you know,
Hits them all.
strikes
Can't be worse than that.
hit everywhere.
Can't be worse than that Arby's I told you about near my house.
That's pretty bad. That's worse than the Taco Bell here that locks their door every
Kaminga.
20 minutes.
Back for Bubba. Dang, Bubba, this card's sick looking. To 75. One off the special number. Alright, let's save the jaw for last, just because I haven't seen that.
Let's pull you a Steph autograph,
I've never
Bubba.
opened it.
Steph signs in Revolution, so
Yeah, someone
on
I can't
card.
remember where I saw it. I saw the 101 of his pulled already. But he's live.
Pretty odd. And I mean, Panini, obviously they don't have the autographs of the rookies, but the vet checklist autos are pretty. A, the checklist is getting pretty deep, and B, a lot of them are live. Just ask Herms and his Ant-Man collection that he's building.
He really is building a big one.
When I was sending those in the PSA, David, I didn't realize they were both out of 49.
20,
Or 25, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
It's like someone messed up package in that case.
you got like almost 10% of the market now.
Their spreadsheet said put one of the out of 25 Ant-Mans in this case, and they gave us like 3.
Although you have seen, I think there's a break now that a breakup Prism hobby. The case had 7 Prismanias, and there's one that I think he either did a case or a half case. Where there's 4 Prismanias.
I thought.
So now all of a
Thorne
sudden,
said they were all in the same box.
It might have been the same. It might have been.
Maybe he's.
I think it's 2 different ones. It's 2 different cases, but anyway, they're all of a sudden they're flying out all over the place.
Prismania? Silly. Alright, box. This is box 3, but box 2 of.
Wimby Galactic inbound.
We want to see at least one Wemby here. Ben Shepherd. Groove for the Pacers. Not numbered on the bin. Colby Jones for the Kings. Rookie. Nick Smith. Hornets. Jaros. Or is it Jairus? How about Sasha Vesnikov?
How's your Sasha?
This is the first one of this. That is the Kaboom pattern, isn't it?
Or it's what's called?
It's
called
Impact.
Firework? Impact, yeah.
But this is the same pattern they use in Kabooms, I think. If you want a cheap Kaboom, buy an Impact Revolution card.
68 out of 149.
Out of 149. How about more Whitehead for the Nets? Here's Thompson. Rockets on the Groove. Might be the second one of those we've gotten. Looks familiar. Podziemski.
Do you know much basketball?
Vortex.
Used to.
Yeah.
Nice one for the Warriors.
I mean, I used to play.
AD. Strother. More Cubic. Let's see who we're going. How about Russell? Russell the Muzzle. Cubic.
Go to my car real quick. Grab some meds.
Right.
20 out of 50. There's Koulibaly getting involved for the Wiz. Kyrie and the Mavs. Kobe Buffkin. Cade for the Pistons. And Giannis. Alright. Last box of this year's Revolution. We gotta see a Wemby here. This will be three. This is 3 boxes. You gotta see at least one Wemby, right?
Yeah, especially this year in Revolution, some of these corners are busted up pretty good.
Empty box there. I'm trying to Wemby you. He's not allowing me to Wemby right now. I need him to allow me to do that for you. You've only pulled one Wemby? How much of this have you opened, David? I haven't even seen a base. Six boxes.
6 boxes of Revolution?
I'm saying you didn't see. You got one Wemby in 6 boxes? I don't like those odds. Yeah.
$1,000 in breaks. Whew.
Let's see if we can get you a second Wemby. No small task, but we're up to it. There's first Anthony Black sighting for the Magic. Andre Jackson and Groove for the Bucks. There's Chet. Alright, let's see what we got sparkle wise. The Hawks. None other than Kobe Buffkin.
That's our boy.
Our boy. Mr. Pigtails. This one is Cosmic to 99. That one's going out to James. This time James Johnson. There's Scooty. Alright, here he comes. Giannis. I said the Bucks are like the A's. Neutron. I have not seen Neutron yet. Have you seen Neutron before?
There's Jeff Chappelle with the Bucks.
12 out of 125.
I've never seen Neutron before.
Definitely bright.
It's gotta be new. Looks like Dazzle from.
Pretty reflective. These cards are already reflective, and that takes it up a notch.
Still status.
Status. How about the Big D? The Raptors. And there's AD. That's Impact AD. Let's get number match. 39 for the Lake Show.
That's going off the Paulo.
Paolo with the Lakers. There is Cam Whitmore. Rockets. Another Jaime. This one is Vortex. Should be. Ooh. Hawks auto coming up. Fractal. Who knew the Hawks were going to get all the hits? Onyeka. Onyeka Okongwu. For the Hawks. Have yourself a little break, James. There is Kamara. Too many. Too many of this guy. There's Edwards Groove. Some base. Final stack. There's Gigi for the Shiz. Gigi for the Grizz. Hadn't called the Grizz yet. We should know him. Zach Millard. There's Cam Whitmore.
Had a black gold GG pulled out of Prism in the shop. Just saying.
Jordan.
Sweet
Hawkins. Pelicans.
card. Absolutely ridiculous.
More bucks. Dame Time on the Groove. A little bit of base. All right. We're going back even further in time. Excited to see this. Have you opened this before?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Not in a while, but yeah. We opened cases of it.
Man.
There's the shiz. What's going on, man?
Oh, look how short the box numbers used to be back then.
Ooh,
Those things are hieroglyphic code now.
that's the code for Zion.
Is that the code for Galactic Zion?
Who's got the Pelicans? Yeah, it was a good run, David. It's all right. Zach with the Pelicans.
We want to see Pelicans and we want to see...
Zach has the Grizzlies also. Zach, this is your box, bud.
Alright, let's see what we're working with. Is this Chinese New Year? What is this?
No, this is real.
This is real?
This is hobby.
Hobby. We're going in. KD. Oh. Sekou. Pistons.
Once upon a time, Sekou. Once upon a
Here's
time.
Spurs. DeRozan. On the Astro.
Sekou did not
Sekou didn't
age
pan out.
well.
He didn't age or pan out.
I think he was 14 in the league. He's only like 19 now, but still not going to make it.
What do we got here? I don't know what any of this looks like. Vortex.
COVID boy himself.
Rudy Gobert.
Ha ha ha, Rudy Gobert.
And there's Kobe.
Oh,
He trended up a while, right?
Forgot about Kobe White.
This year. For the Bulls.
You never know. That 1920 draft class. Basketball has to marinate a little bit. It's not like football. It's kind of in between football and baseball.
Here's Bam Bam. Sunburst. 53 out of 75 on the Bam. Nice one for the Heat. And that one is Herms. And there's in the Lakers uni, but going to the Pelicans. Brandon Ingram. Trying to trick us.
Guys, again, I think there's a few spots left in football. 4 spots left in football. We'll run that right after this.
Shockwave Simmons. That is not what you want to see. And there's. I've never heard of this guy ever. Mifonu. You know this guy?
Cavagnelli?
Cavagnelli.
Yep.
You knew him?
Of course.
Was he a troll?
He was not the one guy you wanted to get, but
There's Rui. Fractal Rui for the Wiz.
oh, there you go.
Thump somehow always gets hits. How does he do it?
Rui was hot for a moment, and then I think he
Rui's for the Lakers now, though.
had like a 40-point game, and then
And aren't they in the
kind of went backwards again.
playoff in the play-in game now? Here's AD. Cam Reddish. Hawks. All right, final 2 here. No Ja or Zion sighting yet.
You got him down, Shiz? If you need us to tell him to you, let us know.
Brandon Clark. Brandon Clark for the Grizz. And there's Grant Williams. The current Hornet. But that one's going to the Celtics.
The Brandon Clark Astro rookie. How's Brandon Clark doing?
I'm not sure. I don't think
He was tearing it up, but
I'm not sure what he's up to these days.
a lot of my basketball knowledge is stuck on a time capsule from 2 years ago and back.
There's Curry. Final. Embiid on the groove. Wrapping it up. All right.
Alright, not terrible, but not exactly what we were looking
Didn't
for.
quite get an explosion, but couple mild bumps of turbulence on these.
It's kind of like that earthquake in New York the other day.
Brandon Clark, Astro. There's Rui for the Wiz. Bam to 75. Kobe White on the rookie. Kongwu for the Hawks. Auto.
Boxes right there that say breaks.
AD Impact.
Thanks.
There's Giannis. New parallel. The 125. How about Buffkin? Kobe 2.0. Here's Ruzzle the Muzzle on the cubic to 50. Sasha for the Kings. Kaminga on the burst. Ivy. Paolo on the fractal there. Blake Wesley auto for the Spurs. Can't complain about not getting a Wemby when you're hitting a nuke like that Blake Wesley auto. Shockwave. Ivy. Keontae on the cubic. I like this one. That one would look good under a pillow. Zion, and there's Rayan Rupert for the Trailblazers.
Alright, guys. Thank you very much. We will see you on the next one.